going to show you exactly how to pair and unpair your LG Magic Remote, especially if you're dealing with a cursor that's completely disappeared or buttons that just aren't responding like they're supposed to. This is a common issue after software updates or if you've dropped the remote, so I'm going to give you a couple of different ways to fix this. Make sure to watch until the end, because if the first way doesn't work, I have a hidden trick that usually does. So the very first thing we want to do is completely unpair the remote from the TV just to clear out any of those connection glitches. To get this started, locate your home button and your back button. Now, what you're going to want to do here is point the remote right at your TV and just press and hold both of those buttons down at the exact same time. We're going to be holding these for about 5 to 10 seconds. What you're looking for here is for that power button at the very top to start flashing red. Once it flashes, you'll see a notification on your TV saying the remote has been disconnected. This is honestly great because it factory resets the connection and gives us a fresh start. If the red light doesn't flash for you, try holding it for up to 20 seconds. Some older models take a bit longer. Now that the remote is unpaired, we want to go ahead and actually pair it back to the TV. This part is super easy. All you have to do is point the remote at the center of your screen and find this wheel button in the middle. Instead of scrolling it, just go ahead and click it down once, just like a regular button. Now, a problem that a lot of people have is that the TV might say, "Registration failed." If you see that on your screen, don't worry. It doesn't mean your remote is broken. Sometimes the TV is just a bit slow or the signal is having trouble. If you get that error, just go ahead and click that wheel button again, maybe 2 or 3 more times. Usually, clicking it a few times is what finally makes the TV see the remote. Also, make sure you don't have a sound bar or anything else sitting right in front of the bottom of your TV. If something is blocking that area, the remote won't be able to connect. Now, if you've tried those steps and it's still not working, there is one more thing you can try. Go ahead and take the batteries out of your remote, but don't put them back in yet. While the batteries are out, press and hold that power button on the remote for about 20 seconds. This drains any leftover power so the remote can fully reset itself. After that, and this is a very important step, go to your TV and unplug it from the wall for about 1 minute. This resets the Bluetooth part inside the TV, which is usually the real reason the remote won't connect. Once the minute is up, plug the TV back in, put your batteries back in the remote, and try that wheel click pairing one more time. For most of you, this is going to be the fix that finally gets everything working again. And your problem should now be fixed. But if you're having other issues with your LG TV, maybe your apps aren't opening or your Wi-Fi keeps dropping, I've actually made a whole playlist of LG tutorials that you can check out right now. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.